This is how you download and install the Poverty Scalper robot for free on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. It takes about 2 minutes, and there are two places people get stuck. I will show you both. First, the download. The file is on ForexCracked, link in the description. No sign up, no payment. What you are downloading is a file that ends in .ex4 or .ex5. Remember that because it matters in a second. Now, before we install, let me clear up the biggest confusion about this robot. A lot of people search for a Poverty Scalper APK or an Android app. There isn't one. This is not a phone app. It is an expert advisor, which is a file that runs inside MetaTrader. You can still watch it from your phone. But the robot itself has to be running on MetaTrader, on a computer or a VPS 24 hours a day. The mobile app lets you watch. It cannot run it. So if a website offers you a Poverty Scalper APK, be careful, because that is not how this robot works. Right, the install. Open MetaTrader. Go to File, then open Data folder. That opens a folder window. This is the step most people miss, because they go looking for MetaTrader in program files, and it is not there. Inside that folder, open MQL4 if you are on MT4, or MQL5 if you are on MT5. Then open Experts. Drop the robot file in. Now close MetaTrader completely, and open it again. Not refresh. Close and reopen. Look at the Navigator panel on the left, open Expert Advisors, and Poverty Scalper is in the list. Drag it onto the chart you want it to trade. It is built for the 1-minute chart on the majors. One box you have to tick. When the settings window opens, go to the Common tab and tick Allow Algo Trading. Then look at the top of the platform. The Algo Trading button has to be green. If that button is red, nothing happens. And this is the #1 reason people think the robot is broken. You know it is working when a smiley face appears in the top right corner of the chart. A sad face means algo trading is still off. Last thing, and I mean this one, run it on demo first. This is a 1-minute scalper, so your broker's spread decides whether it works at all. There's no published track record for this robot, so your own demo data is the only honest answer you are going to get. Free download and the full setup guide are on ForexCracked. Link in the description.